magsagot tayo ng comment ulit, no? Habang papunta tayo sa lakad natin. So, yung comment na to, galing siya sa bagong upload namin sa yung solar powered house. Okay, ang sabi niya, worth the price daw. Yes, it's true. Worth the price ang property na yan. Considering, ang total lot area po niya is nasa 534 ata yung square meter, lote niya. And then, yung market value natin doon is nasa around 25,000 per square meters na. And nasa inside subdivision siya. Yung subdivision na yun, it's Chandler Real subdivision here in San Fernando, Pampanga. No, maganda yung subdivision, one of the exclusive subdivision. And when it comes dun sa finishes niya, maganda din. Tapos may kasama pang mga gamit, no? So, if interested kayo, please schedule a viewing. And then, ang sabi pa niya kung flood-free ba daw ang area. Yes, of course, it's flood-free. Actually, nung sinot namin yung house tour na yan, it's raining noon that time. Pero hindi binaha. Maganda yung subdivision dun, guys. You must check that property, especially kung naghahanap kayo ng ng malaki ang lot area niya. Ganda yung bahay, tapos high ceiling pa. Please check that one on our YouTube channel, and if you want to schedule a viewing, please do message us. Okay, thank you.